Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm going to be showing you a really good website to make money online for teens and adults. This website is really good if you want to make some money, say if you're saving up for like a microphone or a game or even some V-Bucks, you know, if you're still playing Fortnite. It's 2019. But anyway, so basically this website pays you via PayPal. And it's really good because there's no point system like most of the money making website and apps I've experienced with. So instead of having to save up 5,000 coins to get like a dollar, which isn't really worth it, this website basically you don't have to mess around, because it lets you pay to your PayPal with no minimum amounts. You can transfer 1p or £5 to your PayPal and it goes in instantly within seconds, so you don't have to wait five business days to for it to go in your account. I generally think this website is really good. You can make like £1 to £5 per day, or even like £25 a week, or £7. It depends how much you want to spend time on this website. If you want to spend like half an hour, you can easily make like £7 a week if you want to spend like half an hour a day. But anyway, so to make money on this website, you basically have to fill your opinion on certain products. You don't have to enter your postcode or your age, so it's like a survey site, but you don't need to worry about the police banging on your door to find out you faked your age for some V-Bucks. So comment on your thoughts and opinions on this website, guys. It'd also be great if you could leave feedback of this video on my channel. That would be amazing in the comments, and also drop a like. So yeah, definitely recommend you signing up. I'll leave a link in the description. Also, disclaimer guys, this video is basically sponsored. I basically make a commission per sign up, like 25p per sign up. So I would really appreciate if you could sign up with a link in bio. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like, and I hope you have a good one, guys.